So you said there's a little bit of a story on this Thunderbird.
Yeah, it was my grandfather's. It's been in the family since before I was born.
Do you know, did he buy it new or he bought it used back?
He bought it used.
Yeah.
Probably back in the early 70s or so, I imagine.
Well, this one looks pretty solid too. I mean, you've got your vinyl top deteriorated off, which is normal. But did he keep it garaged?
Yeah.
Yeah, I mean, because there's just...
It was garaged most of its life.
There's just little to no rust on there.
That's the last 4 or 5 years it's been outside.
And then how did you come to own it?
I just inherited it.
Yeah. It's still running and driving?
Yeah.
What engine do you have in that one?
The 428.
428. So it can run fast.
It got a little power to it.
Yeah. I don't think they ever build the Thunderbirds as performance cars, but they put some big engines on them.
They're big cars.
Yeah. How's the interior?
Actually, surprisingly really nice.
Oh, yeah. Red with white interior. Yeah, that's pretty good. Just a couple of rips in the driver's seat. So what year is this T-Bird?
66.
66.